Hi YouTube, I'm back. Guess what? So over it. So over it. That's right. You read that correctly. I'm over it. It's go time. It's go time because guess what? I'm retiring from my job in exactly 3 months. 3 months will go by fast. So it's go time. I know. Doesn't look very efficient, does it? My grandchildren are over here. I have cats. Life is hard. But this is my eBay bin. I never got past bin 1. Got distracted. I do have a full-time job and it's very it's soul sucking. It's like a slow death. So I put in my notice to retire. I did that last month and it went well. I really was worried that I've been at the company I've been at for going on 19 years. And so it went really well. Everybody's okay. Nobody flipped out. So it's just now I'm working out the kinks, but life goes on and I need a new way of making money. So it's time to get real. No more playing around. There's my cat. Hey, Soupy. Soupy. The crybabies. There's your crybaby. So what's the plan? I do have a plan. I have a plan. It's gonna work. There's Franny. Hi, Franny, my buddies. These are my best friends. Hey, Francis, Francine, Franny panties. I'm gonna get her some ruffly panties. What is it? Is it time for lunch? It is? Is it time for lunch, Soupy? So I have a plan, believe it or not. It's called working for myself. DoorDash, eBay, Poshmark, and Etsy. Maybe some online transcription. I'm not sure. Gig life. So all together, I should be okay. Look, refrigerator. Oh, my granddaughter's an artist. She made that too. So still working out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be getting some money out of my 401k. I'm gonna be getting some money for my vacation. I'm gonna pay off some bills, but my car I paid my car off finally. It only took 5 years to pay my car off. It's gonna work. I'm watching a lot of videos about DoorDash and eBay. So it's like you have to really be dedicated and work and hustle. Also, I used to drive a school bus and I used to substitute teach. So I've got plans I kept my license, my school bus license all these years. That's right, I used to be a school bus driver. I loved it, it was fun. I mean, you make $80 a day to drive a school bus. You can make $100 a day to substitute teach. So I'm just gonna be doing different things, but no more cubicle life. The cubicle life. No more cubicle life. It would have to be a desperate move to go back to the cubicle life because I'm over that. Because that life is not, Why do you think I got so fat? I'm not really fat, but I have gained 50 pounds since I've worked in an office. And I think that once I'm not sitting at a desk all day, the pounds are just gonna fly off of my body. That's right, they're gonna fly off. Soupy, what do you think? He's the destroyer. Halloween cat, he's a destroyer. Hey, Soupy. See, I'm a destroyer. See, I'm a beautiful, luxurious cat. So I'll be checking in. I'm gonna be doing some videos on what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, getting set up, getting super organized, getting super focused. So I know I keep saying that, but I do have a full-time job that really makes me wish I could slap myself every day. So I hate going here. Every morning I go to work, I'm like, oh, is this really happening? Why am I doing this to myself? You think I'm kidding? I mean, morning. I literally have to force myself to get out of bed in the morning. It's that bad. I'm so burned out. I mean, it's a great company, don't get me wrong, but I am burnt out on this. I'm so burnt out. I'm ready for something different. Ready. I'm so over it. I hope this comes out. Saying it not backwards, but it's so over it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I might put this on 2 channels. I have 2 channels. I'm not sure which one I'm going to start posting all my content on, but anyway, I'll see you on the flip side. Soupy, please get off Franny. She's not enjoying this, okay? Why are you doing that? Soupy. Soupy. Quit dominating. Quit dominating. It's okay. You okay, Franny? Quit dominating, Soupy. Poor Franny. You okay? Soupy. I know you're obsessed with her. I know. What are you doing, Soupy? Why do you want to dominate? Huh? Why? I don't understand. Here we go. Bin 1. Woo, look at it. I had everything going. I do have stuff in there. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. This is not very organized. But I do have, see, I started. Did that break? No. Okay. Anyway, this bin, see, I had all this stuff packaged. I have everything on in a notebook too, so.